What a great morning to wake up to. A new motorbike helmet has just arrived. It's the Arai Ec-Xd4, all the way from Queensland. AMX company up there, motorcycle accessories. It only took a week to get to me, so that's pretty good. I'm down in New South Wales now. So let the unveiling begin. It'll marry up perfectly with my new KTM Adventurer. Ta-da! A box within a box. And a bag of breath mints. Maybe not. Nice protective helmet cover / bag it's arrived in. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, in all its glory. Can't wait to get out on the road. They do quite a nice job, Arai. I'll probably be attaching a GoPro to it and a mic so I can do my on-road vlogging. Looking forward to that. Okay, there we have it. What else may be in this show bag, you may be asking? Well, Arai's included fog resistant lens, so they just strip off, I guess, or stick onto your visor. And here are 2 visor caps, I believe, that go on either side of the helmet, and also some Arai stickers that you want to stick wherever you see fit. Okay.
Drop the acid.